We're talking about the R.KELLY saga as he's back in court to demand copies of evidence in the sex abuse case. Okay, Ife, let me start with you, Lady Ife. What you've got some final? What you?
I never.
Like you've never
I'm
really
biased.
liked
I
it.
don't like the guy, so I'm happy about what's happening. So next
like excusing you from saying your piece. Okay.
First of all, it's only right. This guy hasn't pleaded guilty to any of these charges. So it's only right you seek more clarity, more evidence to be brought to light before judgment is made against you, especially when he's facing almost how many years in jail. So I'm not blaming him for doing this, because if they're saying they have new video evidences, then we should see
what that is.
Those evidence, but we haven't seen them yet. So it's only right they asked for it. From a lawyer's point of view, I think it's only right.
Okay. Elsie?
Yeah, I mean, I am on the same page. It's not about liking him or not liking him now. It's just about proving his innocence or guilty. So if they have an evidence to back up whatever they're claiming, then they should bring it on and let the judges make their decision.
Okay.
Can I just say that the tricky thing about this whole thing is that sometimes the crime of rape especially is one that's very hard to determine or prove. So that sometimes that tone really gets all these men out of serving any crime. Because if I don't go to a hospital or police station right after I've been raped, it's very hard, almost impossible to be able to prove that, you know, I did this or this person did what they did. So
there should have been a DNA swap and all of that.
Yeah,
because I
take out sperm and all that stuff.
I can't remember who exactly, but I think one of the girls, either JW or SP or one of them, said she has semen-stained clothing, and I think they may check that. I don't know what the plan is.
That's part of
it. Yeah. So
that's what I'm saying. That based on what Ife Elsie had saying that they should bring the evidence and all of that. Like it sounds for the law, yes. But if you put into consideration the issue that sometimes just because somebody doesn't have enough evidence doesn't mean
that it hasn't happened already.
But this evidence is a video evidence that they claim they have.
Yeah.
So it's not like we're saying it's not even the semen now. Nobody's paying attention to that, because whether it was rape or not, it's easy for you to get somebody's semen on whatever. But if you say you have a video evidence,
easy to get somebody. It's not easy
I'm
to get semen on
I'm trying to say if you have consensual sex with someone, you could have the semen and wake up and say it was rape. So that will not prove anything. But if you're saying you have evidence of a video of him having sex with an underage girl, then that is something everybody should say, let's see it.
It's really interesting because it happened like how many years ago? 20.
And it was on a VHS tape. That was like
and she's been million. So like, what is it? Maybe they did it in a public place, because it's not like they had smartphones back then where like something was being recorded. So it sounds like maybe
what's it called, camcorders?
No, was it even camcorders?
Yeah, there were camcorders then. But I'm saying that the convenience of it, that where did you have? I don't know. It's a lot of questions.
Oh man, I used to mess around with camcorders a lot.
And you just happened to be put it on when you were getting assaulted.
No, not when I was getting assaulted.
That's what I'm saying now. Like, what are the odds back then?
Their plan was R.KELLY was the one filming. He likes to film such activities.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Are you sure? Because you know one of the parents.
No, why would the girl be the one filming? Like,
she's the one that's saying that she has the video.
Yes, because she probably got access to the video.
No, but I have to bring this in because I remember
you guys have seen that movie.
There was one time where we saw that the parents were the one that were saying they wanted to film and that they pressurized the girl to go to his house. And so I'm thinking they were the ones that were involved.
This is another girl entirely. Yeah, this is another girl
It's such a
entirely.
pig. It's all over.
It's just like the first case, the one he was found not guilty of, that they said they had video evidence of him having, and they brought out the video, and at the end of the day, they said they couldn't prove it was R.KELLY, and the case was dismissed.
And he also has the
he was the one, and he was the one accused of filming that. So he's like, it's his nature. He likes such things. He likes the camera on.
I mean, even in his interview where he freaked out, "I'm fighting for my life," that famous one. He said that he's like, women love me. And then the interviewer asked, even kids, she's like, women of all ages, old and young.
Okay.
Okay.